ready to rise, with dreams ahead and clear blue skies. I put my heart into everything I do, with passion and effort, I see it through. Spirit to work, keep pushing on. Every challenge I'll carry on. No time to waste, I'll chase my dreams. With every step, I'll find new streams. From dawn to dusk, I give my best. With every task, I pass the test. The road is long, but I'm not afraid. I'll keep moving, my goals are made. Spirit to work, keep pushing on. Every challenge I'll carry on. No time to waste, I'll chase my dreams. With every step, I'll find new streams. Through the sweat, through the pain, I'll find success in the rain. With every effort, I'll break the chain. Work hard